Hey, good morning, good evening, everyone, wherever you are. Just a very quick Folio review today, and a bit of a down day on Friday. I'm not sure what the Dow Jones was doing. I don't really care, but let's have a look. ELA, PEPG, IHRT, VRCA, and ERAS. ERAS only up a modest 16% overnight. When I say overnight, I mean during the day, New York time. I'm on the other side of the world. So Ella, bit boring. Ella, not really doing much. Just refresh that. This software is a bit buggy sometimes. Don't know why. So in here and really, I need to start looking at my entries a bit better. There was no giant volume explosion. There was one here, bouncing off that 1152. 350,000. So I guess that was kind of your entry. If you wanted to be really, a gap up is always nice. So I'm probably too late to the party here. I might just close this out because it was a bit of a silly trade in hindsight. You get in there, you could have got in there, but you would have got smacked. Right down to support again, that resistance becoming support, such a classic. Lots of entry points. And I guess you could have said that was your entry point, but it would have pulled back, and it's not getting past that. So it's just below my entry of 279. I don't think this is going to go anywhere, and there's an opportunity cost here, isn't there? So it's like, if your trade isn't going anywhere, you're also losing money on another potential trade you could be doing, which was going off. So I think I'll close Ella out because it's rubbish. PEPG, yeah, no. And then a bit of a pullback. I think I might be patient with this one because someone dropped a ton of cash on this. I was trading at 645,000, and someone dropped 125 mil, so almost 600 million dollars there. So somebody knows something. What are we doing? 5%, pretty meh. I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure in hindsight why I entered this trade. It's a bit stupid. And I got in right on the peak. I maybe thought it was going higher, but not. Stop loss down at 691. That's not right. That's 69 cents. We'll call it 70 cents. 620 it should be. Yeah, 620. I'm being a moron. Edit please. 620. If we get a green, I'll hang on to it. It might go further. Let's just hang with PEPG. IHRT's had a nightmare. What a bum rush. Huge gap up on big volume. Then I got right in on the pullback, which was lovely. And it's using this sort of 358 as support. It's gone all the way up to 544, which was nice. So I got in here, and it's gone all the way up 40% trade, and then come all the way back down. It didn't even touch my stop loss by a cent, maybe. Yeah. My stop's at 327. It came right down to it, and it's gone back up to kind of break even now. Disappointed with it. I thought it was going to bump and then pop and then maybe come down to about here and then carry on, but it's dropped all the way down, so kind of sucks. Do I hang on to it? It's now post-market up at 391. Yeah, I think so. It's a small exploratory trade. The long-term trend is up. You see the moving average there going up and up and up. Let's see if it makes it above. I don't really like kind of average trades like that. I want to see things moving. And I'm going to do a bangers monster hunt next, because there's so many things in the watch list that are blowing up. We'll do the watch list. Look at the watch list. Oh, IPSC is going off. PASG, LPC, and all the stocks that I mentioned a while back are looking really hot. So yeah, let's close these out. Life is short. VRCA, it's maybe got to be patient with this one. It was a way up at astronomical heights. It's had a little bit of a bump and is now doing nothing. And is it really going to just do nothing? Is that the highest it's going to get? It's got that bit of resistance up at 951. Is it really going to do nothing? So I got in, this is another beautifully timed trade, which I was very happy with. Spike, pullback, and I got in right here at 669. So it's afforded me a little bit of a, it's just doing this. I thought this was a bull flag, just goes to show you, it's not always written in stars. Bit of a sell-off there and kind of done nothing. My stop loss is at 775, so I moved it up from the entry. It would have been down at $6 originally. So the stop loss was here. That's now moved up to here. Let's see, 15%. It's pretty average, but better than getting your ass handed to you. And ERAS is the big story of the week. Big long consolidation of nothingness. It was way up at 25. And it's just had this insane blow up, which is amazing. And post market, up another 20 cents. So the stop loss was on entry, would have been 10%, which is 35, which is around the $3 mark around here. And that's now been moved up to, well, SL moved to 560. I don't want to give a cent back, ERAS. What's CNBC saying? 517. After hours, another 5%, 612. Man, this is saying 695. That's a little bit different. Oh, so are they saying it came down after hours? What are you trying to tell me? It was way up at what? It closed at 676. Closed at 676. Oh, that was out of date. That screen has just jumped. 693. It's almost at $7. Wow, that's cool. I don't want to give a cent back to the market on this trade. I'm very happy with my doubling my money in how many days? A couple of weeks. December 19th, and it was closed over Christmas. Blew up in the new year. Wow. 100% trade. That's sick. I love that. This is what trading is all about, doubling your money in just a few days. So I think I'm going to move my stop loss. It's kind of tricky. I'm not awake when the market opens. So what happened here? It came down, went shot right up, and then it just there went down, and then we're shot up. I'm going to put my stop loss up here, 671, because I'm a greedy mofo, and 100% on a trade is totally fine with me. And I'm doing that because I think it might open and come down a little bit, or whatever o'clock. It might open here and then come down, and it might open up here and collapse. This is a volatile stocks. We're playing the small caps. Some might call them micro caps. What's the definition of a small cap? It's 250 mil to 2 billion, I think, market cap. And micro cap is, or penny stocks are anything under $5. So we're around the micro cap area. But I like volatility like this. It makes me excited and fun, and that's why I like trading. So SL moved, stop loss moved to 671. I am totally okay with that, and I can give back 20 cents if I really feel generous. But I almost feel like kind of moving it up here, 676. And a bird in the hand is better than two in the bush. Two in the bush being it goes much higher on the open, and two in the bush is like, oh no, sorry, two in the bush is it going straight up on the open, and a bird in the hand is it coming down and hitting my stop loss, and I've kept all of my profits, which I really like. So ERAS trade of the day, and we'll do a watch list review, and we'll do Finding Monsters very soon. So until we meet again, dear friends, lots of love, peace and love, and keep waiting for breakouts. Let's fucking go.